So, good day everyone. Today I want to introduce to you an innovation and that is simple and affordable and it's very useful to our daily lives. So, especially in times when electricity is so expensive or not always available. So, the product I am talking about is the solar power light. So, solar power light. So, this product is designed to give household or businesses and even communities a reliable source of lighting that does not depend on the power grid. So, instead of consuming electricity that adds to our monthly bills, so
The solar powered lights runs purely on renewable energy from the sun. So how it works? So the solar light is made up of three main parts. So a solar panel is this collects energy from the sun during the day. So sa rechargeable battery, this stores the energy collected by the solar panel. So and the LED bulb is this provide the light at night using the stored energy. So here's how the process works. During the daytime, the solar panel is absorbs the sunlight and converts it to an electronical energy. That energy is stored in battery. Once the sun sets and it becomes dark, the solar light automatically turn on using the stored energy to provide bright, efficiently in light. This cycle repeats every day, which means you get free lightning as long as there's is sunlight. So this cycle repeats every day, so which means you get free lightning as long as there's a sunlight. So there's no need to plug into an outlet or worry about increasing your electricity bill. So the benefits of the solar light. So the solar powered light has many advantages that make it a smart choice for households and communities. So the energy saving, since it relies completely on the sun, you don't pay for the electricity it consumes. Imagine the savings when you replace outdoor or emergency lighting with the solar power options. So reliable during power outage. In the Philippines and in many other places, brownouts or blackouts are common, especially during storm or natural disaster. So with the solar lights, you don't have to worry. Even if there's no electricity, your light will still work as long as they've been charged during the day. Solar solar lights is eco-friendly because solar light is just renewable energy, which means less depends on fossil fuels. By choosing solar, households also help reduce carbon emissions and contribute to protecting the environment. So also low maintenance, solar lights are designed to be used to solar lights are designed to be easy to use. Once installed, they automatically charge during the day and turn on the night. You don't need to complicated wiring or regular maintenance. And also affordable and long run, while the initial cost of buying a solar light might be slightly higher than the regular bulb, might be slightly higher than a regular bulb. So the long-term savings are significant. So you no longer have to pay the electricity. You no longer have to pay the electricity it uses, which makes it cost effective. Which makes it cost effective and also safe to use since they don't rely on the requiring the risk of electrical shock or fire is reduced, making them safer for household, especially those with children. So the target market is the target market solar power light can be useful for different groups of people. First is the families who want to save money and reduce their electricity bills. And also homeowners who need outdoor lighting for gardens, pathways, and yards. And also communities in rural areas where electricity supply is unstable or even unavailable. So, and also small businesses that want to reduce operating costs while keeping their surroundings safe and well lit. Emergency preparedness. Families who want back lightning, families who want backup lightning during brownout or disaster. So this is the business value and opportunity. From a business perspective, solar power lights have a strong market potential. Electricity costs continue to rise, and people are looking for ways to save money and use sustainable energy source. At the same time, safety and convenience are major concern. By offering a solar power lights, a business can address all of these issues like cost savings, attractive to consumers. uh, Cost savings is attractive to consumers, sustainability aligned with goals efforts to fight climate change, and also accessibility, especially useful in areas where traditional electricity is hard to reach. This product can be marketed and hardware stores like online platform like Shopee, Lazada, or even a bulk for community project like solar powered lights are not just household product. It can also be installed in barangay, schools, and also small businesses. So this is the conclusion. In conclusion, the solar power light is more than just a lamp. It is a solution to everybody problems like high electricity bills, power outage, and environmental issues. It gives families peace of mind, saves money, and at the same time helps our environment clean and to using clean and renewable energy. Our vision is to bring sustainable and affordable lighting to every home, every business, and every community. With solar lights, we can make a brighter, safer, and more eco-friendly for everyone. So thank you very much, and I hope you can see the value of investing in solar powered lighting. Together, we can build a brighter and sustainable future. And thank you so much for listening.